In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your website in minutes with Durable AE. Open your browser and go to durable.co. On the home page, click Build a Website. You can sign up with your email or continue with a Google account, whatever's fastest for you. There's no credit card required to try it, which makes it easy to explore without pressure. Next, let the AI do the heavy lifting. Enter your business type. Think virtual assistant, bakery, or cleaning service, and add your location if you want to target a specific city or region. Then click Generate Website. In about 30 to 60 seconds, Durable will produce a complete website, including a homepage, services, about, and contact page, along with images and copy. Pick the business type that best matches what you offer, and include your location if local customers matter to you. Now it's time to edit. Click Edit to customize what the AI created. For text, click directly on any section and start typing to add your own voice, or use Rewrite with AI for a quick revision that matches your tone. Keep your headlines concise and benefits focused so visitors immediately understand what you do. For images, click an image to replace it, then upload your own photos or select AI-generated options. Aim for high-quality visuals that reflect your brand and the people you serve. Make the design yours. Adjust colors, fonts, button styles, and layout sections so everything feels cohesive. Upload your logo and set your brand style to keep the look consistent across the site. Small design choices, like a single accent color and a readable font, go a long way toward a professional feel. If you need more content, open pages and add what matters. A blog for updates, an FAQ to address common questions, a gallery for visuals, pricing to set expectations, and a contact form so leads can reach you easily. Include only what supports your goals to keep navigation simple. Durable also includes optional business tools. You can enable a lightweight CRM to manage leads, create invoices, and add appointment booking. Turn on only what you need and expand later as your workflow grows. When you're ready, click Publish. You can go live instantly on a free Durable subdomain, or connect a custom domain on a paid plan if you want a branded address. Finally, check Mobile. Sites are mobile responsive, but preview on your phone and tweak spacing or text size if needed. Before you finish, visit SEO and settings to edit page titles, meta descriptions, and business info.